It's Noni and Friends live.
DJ, don't do. I know some dance. I bet when I climb on myself, I beg, it's not easy. How many people watch Nigeria Got Talent here? You know, say you watch the program, wave your hands. Other people, I don't get TV. Okay, well, I get, but I'm saying I know they. I went to Nigeria's Got Talent. I made it to the finals. The whole Nigeria, the only comedian they are beg, it's not easy. You know, to enter that final, no be joke. Because I remember the first audition. As I was enter, the judges asked me, what's your name? I say, Laff Dog. They say, where are you from? I say, Lagos. They say, what do you have first? I say, comedy. They say, can you make us laugh? I say, yes. They say, go ahead. I crack my joke. I can't get 3 years. I can't enter quarter final. As I go, the question next. The guy went enter. The way he enter, I go, no say problem. The guy told me, we are gathered just what happened. The judge is concerned, what's your name? He said, Dagugu. They said, Dagugu, where are you from? He said, North. They said, what do you have first? He said, magic. They said, what do you want to use to do your magic? He pull out for pocket, bring out 2 bombs, face the crowd. My brother, see where people they fly windows. One of the judges, Ketensha, has finished some of our lips. On the advice and meet me for African magic. Now the first occurrence again, what do you want to do with the magic? The guy got everybody, well, my brother, I want to bomb this place. 5 minutes later, I will bring it back. The guy never performed the talent. You have qualified. As he want to see you, you go again Nigeria Got Talent, shake the guy, come down. See where you want to speak pidgin, my brother. I take God name beg you. No near here next. When I do this joke, everybody they like me to do this joke, so I'm gonna do it. Did you want plane make crash for Nigeria one time? Dana air, the plane just crashed. When the plane crashed, we hear say 100 people now follow. But after 2 weeks, the people will get the plane, can't decide to give everybody 5 million. When Nigerians hear 5 million, the next week when they go back to the mortuary, they discover say 5,000 Nigerians die. Mommy, the way they tell me, that's why I shout to. They say what happened? Now my phone ring. They say, where are you? I said, they say, come to mortuary. I want to wonder. When I reach here, I see my papa. Person whenever I enter aeroplane before. I bet if you find me one chair. Baby, give me one chair there. Hey, mommy, give me a chair. Wait, man, use. Okay, mama, I use that one. Now, mommy, now, wow. How much you pay down there? You know, as I reach there, I see my daddy like that for mortuary bowl. With hand and I shout, Daddy! He tell me, shut up. I said, what am I saying? He said, now die a day. I said, for what? He said, my son, 10 million. When I hear 5 million, I tell my daddy, Daddy, shift for me. As my daddy shift now like that, close on my daddy, I don't know, you get one Igbo man. The Igbo man said before, he big phone, they call family. Hello? Mama Buka. Come to mortuary now. If you are coming, come with help. I came to be farmer. Who's on now? Everybody will die today. When I come the other side, I see one in Bangladesh. People they go after Billy Kisu. Oh, he believe where? He pull out. Somebody they show him love puri emoti now. Oh no. Nigerians, all of us we pack ourselves go that. We go forget say. The country will get that plane for the country. If person died, they burn the fire. So the day when they want to give the money, instead of 100 people, they cost you 5,000 people. Now the country people come, they say that well, before we give the money, we'll burn the rest people fire. When they turn back, see where they go, they fly window. Then they take off. That evil man went like that. Now you got the five family. Mama, you get to. I can't was on down here. Who want me for me alone? Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Laff Dog.
It's Noni and Friends live.